Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Messenger Kids. Messenger Kids is a messaging app and platform released by Facebook in December 2017. The platform is designed for a young audience as a safer alternative to Facebook Messenger platform. Users can easily register with their first and last names instead of phone numbers in order to use Messenger Kids. First, start by downloading Messenger Kids on your Android or your iOS device. Go to the Play Store or your App Store and search for Messenger Kids. And once you find the app, install it on your device. Now once you download the application, tap it open. Wait until the app opens, and after it does, tap on the next button. You'll need to confirm if you are a parent or a guardian. Tap on confirm. To do so, enter your Facebook password to your account. Once you do that, you can go ahead and tap on authorize device. Tap on next. Now, type in the first name of your child, the last name, and tap on continue. Now, go ahead and enter your child's birthday, or you can simply skip the step for now as well. Tap on skip at the upper right and go through the informations and finally tap on create account. On the next page, you can choose other friends for your kid. You can go ahead and tap on add in order to add friends for them, or skip the step for now. Now, to help connect with more friends for your kid, tap on the allow button. If you want to enable the code function for your kid, then tap on turn on. If not, tap on not now. Go through the information once and tap on we agree. Allow access for your camera, your microphone, and for your photo stories by tapping on allow access on the next page. Allow all the access needed, and finally you can take a photo for your kid. Tap on take a photo, or you can skip the step for now by tapping on skip at the upper right. You can go ahead and choose a color to decorate your kid's app. Choose any colors that your kid likes, and once you do that, tap on continue. Tap next one more time, go through the informations, and tap on OK. And with this, you've set up Messenger Kids for your kid. That way you can create a Facebook Messenger for your kid. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.